ASUS is the first manufacturer to bring stunning OLED displays to not just a few select models, but a complete lineup spanning several series and segments. The 100% DCI-P-free, best-in-class color gamut ensures true-to-life colors that are always stunning to look at. It's also Pantone validated, so you're creating what you see is what you get. You might be worried that too much screen time irritates and damages your eyes, but worry not. By their very nature, OLED displays emit 70% less harmful blue light, which could disrupt your sleep cycle and cause eye strain. This 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio means you're able to view details in your favorite movies or games or creative projects you would otherwise miss entirely. Let's have a look at our newest member in the ASUS OLED lineup. And as you can see, we again offer you a lot of configuration options. You have the choice of either an AMD or Intel CPU, and there's an option for a virtual touchpad number pad, an option for ASUS ScreenPad, and an NVIDIA MX450 dedicated GPU. And the Zenbook 14X too is going 16:10, which allows us to offer you more screen space than other 14-inch laptops. But that's not all. These new Zenbook 14 models support AIPT, which means with a simple click you can switch to performance mode and boost the CPU even higher, up to 40 watts. The B5 Flip is the first matte OLED display in a laptop. Thanks to its 360-degree hinge, you can flip from writing an email to swiping through presentations in tent mode to taking notes with a stylus in mere seconds. Like all Expertbook models, the B5 comes in a classy and rugged chassis made from magnesium aluminum alloy, which also means it's ridiculously light, with the lightest 1-watt panel edition of just 1 kilogram. The Expertbook B5 is Intel Evo certified and delivers exceptional performance thanks to Intel's latest 11th gen CPU, and it's highly efficient, snappy, and offers the very best in connectivity and battery life.